Union of Clinical Officers, the Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory Officers, the Kenya Environmental Health and Public Health Practitioners Union, the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union, the Kenya Union of Nutrition and Dietitians, and the Kenya National Union of Pharmaceutical Technologists Union said it will move to court on Monday to challenge the order, which temporarily stopped the implementation of the deal.
As unions, we are saying, yes, must respect the judicial process because that is the way any democratic space must exist. But as unions, we've made a decision that we're also going to file under certificate of urgency to the courts on Monday to ask the courts that there's life of patient that is in danger with this particular court order.
The union argues that the agreement was meant to address long-standing challenges in the country's healthcare sector.
This deal is going to bring an end to insecurity contractual terms of service in the country in healthcare.
They say the deal would allow the government to take full ownership of its health data, directly employ healthcare workers, and manage medical supplies for programs that have traditionally been run by non-governmental organizations.
The data was out there for the NGOs to use as they wished. And what we are saying is that, though we may differ, but there is an improvement in that now our data is being managed by the government, and at least we can be able to hold our government into account.
Sisi kama public health officers na sisi kama miongoni wengine tunaunga mpango mzima mkono na tunasema ya kwamba tunataka huo mpango uweze kuimarika.
On Friday, the High Court of Kenya temporarily stopped the implementation of the Health Cooperation Framework between Kenya and the United States that was signed on December 4th, 2025. Justice Chachamwita issued conservatory orders barring the agreement in its entirety, pending the hearing and determination of a petition challenging its legality, a petition that was filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah. Omtatah had raised questions on whether it was a binding commitment and the use of Kenyan taxpayers' money beyond oversight mechanisms. He also raised concerns over data protection, fiscal responsibility, and the potential impact on the Kenya's right to equitable health care. The High Court had also issued earlier orders barring the implementation of the deal after the Consumers Federation of Kenya, COFEK, argued that there was a violation on the transfer, sharing or dissemination of medical, epidemiological or other sensitive personal health data.
For the union makes us strong.
Catherine Imuraget, KTN, Nairobi.
Now, still on matters health, patients across the country are expected to suffer disruptions in health services starting Monday night and next week. This after clinicians reaffirmed plans for a nationwide strike affecting all public health facilities. Kenya Union of Clinical Officers General Secretary George Gibore faulted the Ministry of Health for failing to sign key documents that will operationalize the 2024 collective bargaining agreement and a return to work formula. National Vice Chair Boniface Mitambo accused the Health Cabinet Secretary Aiden